This 2025 Grech RV Terreno AWD Tour Ion is a Class B RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grech RV is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, smoke detector, stovetop burner, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, LP detector, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2025 Grech RV Terreno AWD Tour Ion is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500XD 170 inches chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.